Welcome, Divine Soul. This meditation is designed to awaken, activate, and balance your Crown Chakra, your sacred journey to higher consciousness, unity, and infinite wisdom. As you begin, find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit or lie down with your spine straight, allowing energy to flow freely. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold and exhale slowly. Do this a few more times. And with each breath, you are opening, expanding, and realigning with the divine truth. You are not separate. You are one with the whole. You are divine. With each inhale, feel a sense of peace and stillness washing over you. With each exhale, release any tension, doubt, and resistance. Now visualize a gentle stream of beautiful violet light descending from the cosmos, touching the crown of your head. This sacred light of Source cleanses, heals, and activates your Crown Chakra. Allow this divine energy to dissolve any limiting beliefs, any thoughts of separation, any resistance to your soul's highest path. You are opening, expanding, awakening. Now in your mind's eye, see a radiant lotus flower at the crown of your head, gently closed. As this violet light continues to flow into you, feel the petals begin to open, blossoming into full divine expression. With each breath, this light expands, filling your entire being, illuminating your mind, heart, and soul with the wisdom of the universe. This is the seat of your divine knowing, your connection to Source, the Great Spirit, the infinite consciousness. You are not just human. You are an infinite being of light, here to co-create with the universe. Feel this truth anchoring within you. Your actions have power. Your energy shapes reality. You are here to fulfill your soul's purpose. I will now channel light language to help activate, open, expand, clear, and balance your crown chakra. Please listen from your heart. Aishai Shintiai Hashantai Loyatia Mandia Ukdiai Kitiai Mandikitiai Shiti Tudutia Tatiaika Nuriai Shantia Nurian Shati Aishitiai Kututuishitia Antisitia Koti Oti Amba Ikitia. Now repeat the following affirmations in your mind, feeling them resonate deep within your soul. I am one with the universe. Divine wisdom flows effortlessly through me. I trust the divine plan unfolding in my life. I am a co-creator with Source, manifesting my soul's highest purpose. I surrender to the infinite intelligence guiding me. I am open to divine knowledge and cosmic truth. I am connected. I am whole. I am infinite. Let these words vibrate through your being, aligning you fully with your divine nature. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of the cosmos, looking out into infinite space, endless galaxies, boundless light. You realize that you are not separate from the universe. You are the universe experiencing itself in human form. Feel yourself dissolving into this cosmic light, merging with the energy of all creation. You are one with everything. You are divine intelligence, divine love, divine manifestation. Breathe in this truth. Breathe in oneness. Breathe in pure knowing. You are limitless. You are powerful. You are the creator of your reality. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the presence of this divine connection always within you. Take a deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself back into this moment. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this cosmic wisdom with you into your daily life. You are a divine being of light. You are infinite. You are connected. Comment below, I am one with the universe, to affirm your activation. Like this meditation to anchor in the energy. Share this with others ready to awaken their divine connection. Subscribe to the Ascension Network for more spiritual activations, guided meditations, and channeled wisdom. Want a deeper, personalized spiritual experience? I offer personalized channeled sessions, quantum healing, hypnosis, past life regressions, hypnotherapy for transformation, spiritual courses, and other meditations. Book your session at www.tatianamera.com. You are divine. You are infinite. You are one.